Hello, welcome to Toys Are Evil. I am back again just after my previous Insta Live because it's all set up. Not that it's a major setup for my reviews, but it's just set up, and I thought I would open my other figure which I snagged at my recent trip to JB for the Dan anime Cosbi. And it is not cheap, and I reckon you can get cheaper in Singapore, obviously, but I couldn't resist lah. I've been wanting to get from Singapore, but I've not made a trip down to grab them. So when I saw this there, I just pulled the trigger and just crossed my fingers to get the figures. I mean, I am enjoying the anime. I mean, the first season lah, second season, I don't know, it's a bit maybe not as. It's not as fresh as I had experienced it in the first season, but then again, maybe things will pick up, at least for me. A lot of angst, more angst than I expected. But having said that, the figures here, let's go through. There's a Turbo Granny. The mystery is another Turbo Granny in a bag. I mean, the pictures are all online. Okarun transformed, which is pretty cool. Seiko, Grandma Seiko, rock and roll actually, and even Momo. I'm happy to get Momo. I'm happy to get the rest, like Ira. If their chase was the Ira, but a transformed version, that'd be cool. Gigi, still haven't gone into Gigi yet. Okarun, non-transform Okarun is cool. But the aliens, man, oh man, the aliens would be pretty darn cool, man. And this is it. I mean, I can assume. No, I can't assume. Of course, I hope there's a series 2, not season 2. Season 2 is showing right now. I'm trying to follow it. And I'm actually following it online on YouTube because it's free to watch on Muse Asia, so that's cool. Means I don't have Netflix anymore, so I can't watch on Netflix. Cosby, so enough of rambling. Time to open up the box. Now open up the box from the bottom. I realized a lot of times, I mean for camera's sake, I should say, I wish I got work, but I realized I'm not going to jinx it. I think that wishing to get something, it makes no difference than if I'm trying to get a blind box. I must well go to locations where the figures are already opened up, and you just buy what I want and not try my luck. I've never been that lucky with blind boxes, I feel. Hit and miss lah. So again, the more I talk about it, the more I'll jinx it. So less talking and less focusing and not destroying the box. It's funny now, the box means something to me because I still have to hold them. I might not have place to display them. Oh, why the tear? Talk, then tear. Aiyo. Yeah, tear some more. Damn it. Never mind. I shouldn't be complaining on air. Nah, that's just me lah. You'll just get used to it. Oh, there's a card. I don't want to see the card. Let me put aside. I saw the card. I shouldn't have seen the card. Then I show you the card lah. Ira, okay lah. Cannot complain. Not what I wanted, but Ira. See, I'm complaining. Oh gosh. Is this the base? Can't remember. I'll sort it out when I open it. Wow, very tempted lah. Very tempted to not open this up. To be able to sell Ira and still sealed, so I can get more blind boxes for this. Sorry, I'm still thinking, should I do that? I shouldn't have done that, but no lah, for the sake of the camera. Do it! Too late, can't regret it now. Want to see the quality, nice. Ta-da! Adorable. Okay, adorable lah. Any articulation? No, none at all. So it's a flat out PVC. PVC? It's not vinyl. Flat out PVC, non-articulated figurine. Ta-da! Wait, let me see. What does the base do? Oh, there's a stand. Open it lah, and I know it'll disappear amidst my hoard of stuff. There's a little stand. Is it like this? I have no clue what I'm doing though. Okay. Where does this go? Her butt. Correct. I see the little hole in the butt. Right. does it mean it goes like this? Doesn't make sense, does it? It does not make sense. Should I try and figure it out? No, I don't. No, I shouldn't. Is she flying? Right. Oh, okay. So I think it does make sense like this. Push it through. I mean, it's just so fragile. I'm so scared to break the darn acrylic, so I won't do it lah. Sorry, I'm too chicken shit to do it. I won't do it. I'll find online maybe some pictures and add to eventual blog post that I assume this goes through, right? This goes through, and this is the base that locks it in at the bottom, and this goes up the display, and she stands on the plastic. Does it make sense? Now I realize why I like it, why I like the form. It's not just the print and whatnot, but the shape is very Nendoroids, very chibi Nendoroids, which I've always loved Nendoroids. I still do. It's just a matter of I can't afford to pay them, buy them as much as I like. But I like the chibi format, so this is Nendoroids, man. Works for me. Works for me. So yeah, this is cool. Let me put this aside. And I've said before, and you've not heard me say, my weakness for art toys is there, but my kryptonite is anime-related action figures or anime-related toys, because I enjoy the anime, more so anime than comic books actually. So any interpretations of anime characters or from anime that I like, I would love to collect them. My collection is consisting of and stuff in the past I like Attack on Titan, first 2 seasons, maybe even Kill la Kill. Nothing comes to mind at this point in time, and EVA of course. So that is, I'm happy to get this. I really wanted the Kaiju number 8, but the forms and designs just not to my liking lah. I mean the license didn't go to Hot Toys or anyone else, just not to my liking. And also Chainsaw Man, I've gotten quite a few. So yeah, my kryptonite, anime toys, and not necessarily needing it to be action figures of, because the logic is if I want something anatomically accurate, I'll just watch the anime anyway. So I just like to see interpretations. So even Evangelion Bear Bricks, I'm fine if it's Bear Bricks, but it's still Evangelion, and I enjoyed that. It's like a remix context of character figures. In my 80s head, when I love remix cassettes or remix versions of songs, it's the same song but it's a different version. Doesn't it make sense? Yes, I'm greedy lah. I'm just greedy. So anyway, yeah, I have finished my, again, sorry, I always ramble, then I stop and pull myself back. It's time to end the stream because I'm getting dizzy-headed and rambling. If I could ramble for the entirety of every day about toys and do that as a living, I would grab that any moment. But no, now it's just pure passion. So sharing my passions with you, and my passion for now is, yeah, I am literally thinking about more than Cosbis. What I'm trying not to do is track down like Carousel or some online venue where people are selling the entire lineup of figures, so I don't need to go blind box. But again, we shall see. We shall see how that goes. Having said that, let me catch a breath, and I'll end this stream. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.